अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कंटिन्यू करो इस लेक्चर नंबर 3 मैग्नेटिज्म क्लास 12th रात वाते यथ मंजन इस रातुक लेक्चर दियो तथ मज वाते दैट इज एफ मैग्नेटिक फोर्स ऑन ए मूविंग चार्ज्ड पार्टिकल is equal to q v cross b. This is the vector form of the force. Clear? So yet now it is magnetic Lorentz force. Magnetic Lorentz force on a moving charged particle, and which is moving inside a magnetic field, uniform magnetic field B. Clear? Uniform magnetic field. Now it is a point from direction of F and units of B. Even join it is a point from if both electric field and magnetic fields are present. अगर दोनों field आसन magnetic field ते आसे electric field te ase present, then total force on a charged particle will be F, which equals F electrical plus F magnetic. F electrical, that is Q into E, and plus F magnetic, that is Q V cross B. This is the F total. Total force on a charged particle moving inside electric as well as magnetic field. Clear? So it is QE plus QV cross B. And this equation. This equation is Lorentz force. Lorentz force. Lorentz magnetic force. Lorentz electric force. And this soaring, Lorentz force, general Lorentz force. Chemistry on a charged particle moving inside electric as well as magnetic field. Equate दोनों field इतने मौजूद. Clear? तम साथ में ऐसे ये force है इस पे. यह पढ़ने जो कुछ साधन general question है, basic question. E ऐसी दित, V ऐसी दित, B ऐसी दित, Q ऐसी दित, you have to calculate the total force. तो ऐसे total force calculate करो. Clear? Now we have to find out the direction of F. This is the magnetic force, only magnetic force, direction of magnetic force. This. Clear? Lorentz magnetic force which direction chase between plus chase between units and dimensions of this B. Clear? So first God kya karo is karo units dimensions of B. यानी कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड यूनिट्स तो डायमेंशंस क्या छ तिम कड़ो अस यम इक्वेशन पे. क्लियर? सो F is QV cross B, or we can write F equals QVB sin theta. QVB sin theta. Now, or we can write B equals F divided by QV sin theta. B तो में थी बाकी तौर में योर क्या इसकी में B diamond unit is जरूरत. Clear? Now sin theta, it is the angle, so it is unitless quantity. So B equals F divided by Q into V. Now what is the unit of F? It is the force. Its unit is Newton. Clear? Q charge, its unit is coulomb. V velocity, meter per second. So this becomes a unit of magnetic field, that is B. Clear? And MC chase one yasago Tesla. Yasago Tesla. Clear? But Tesla kus basic unit go use Newton divided by coulomb meter per second. Yim cheese guys atmazan use MC on Tesla, and it is the SI unit. It is the SI unit. You should SI unit. Clear? Kamuk B yuk SI unit. Hence, the SI unit of magnetic field. B is Tesla. Hence, the SI unit of B, magnetic field, is Tesla. ये क्या नाव दिन टेस्ला. निकोला टेस्ला साइंटिस्ट तथसी ऑनरस मज आव नाव दिन मैग्नेटिक फील्डस क्या सोच ज्यादा रिलेट. That is Tesla. Clear? Now, this is the SI unit. It is a CGS unit. Another unit. We cannot say CGS unit. Beak unit is used that is Weber by meter square. Weber divided by meter square. This is not CGS unit. It is not CGS unit. That means meter square use gumut. Agar meter is the SI unit. Clear? So you can say it is Weber per meter square. This is another unit for B. For B. You shows brought unit kis kenat gets unit kaita. Clear? Now, Tesla is SI unit. You can use Weber per meter square. Another set of unit for this B. Should be as unit. Now, once you then one Tesla. Tesla kutago. Tesla magnetic field kutago. Clear? Time khatri kya karbo? Nazar thayo. As B is equal to F divided by QV sin theta. QV sin theta. If F equal is 1 Newton, Q equal is 1 Coulomb, V equal is 1 meter per second square, and sin theta equal is 1, means theta is 90. You point sin theta is equal to 1. Then B equal is 1 Newton, 1 Coulomb, 1 meter per second, and 1. This equal is 1 Tesla. Yet Tesla 1. Your bacho 1 divided by 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 divided by 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So it is 1 Tesla. So B equal is 1 Tesla. B magnetic field equal is 1 Tesla. Once I see define 1 Tesla magnetic field kutago. Clear? Yath pe demo is be wapas hun kya iske be rasa thoda itna changes karni war thon ja. Once I see then define karo 1 Tesla. Hence the magnetic field strength. The magnetic field strength at any point. At any point is 1 Tesla. Is 1 Tesla. If a charge of 1 Coulomb, if a charge of 1 Coulomb moving with velocity of 1 meter per second, moving with velocity of 1 meter per second, perpendicular. Sin theta is 1. So perpendicular to the direction of B. To the direction of B. Experience. Experience the force of 1 Newton. Experience the force of 1 Newton. Yem saatan uch bas samjhayo to yem saatan is ek charged particle nimon ak magnetic field chetanas. Clear? Me lago ak charged particle emis charge os 1 Coulomb. Clear? Yuthui me charged particle magnetic field is lago with velocity of 1 meter per second square. Yet point sped emis 1 Newton force experience गसी तथ पॉइंटस पे वन बह अतन कूता छु मैग्नेटिक फील्ड 1 टेस्ला क्लियर बे कर बी रिपीट अख चार्जड पार्टिकल having charge 1 q 1 coulomb यम साथ थ्रू करोन मैग्नेटिक फील्डस मज कुन पॉइंटस कुन with velocity of 1 meter per second अम पतन गस एक्सपीरियंस अथ पॉइंटस पे 1 न्यूटन फोर्स गो अथ पॉइंटस पे कूता मैग्नेटिक फील्ड 1 टेस्ला क्लियर दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ टेस्ला ये जो इतनस यूज नाउ definition of 1 Tesla clear and this is that now one more thing is that F it is Newton divided by coulomb meter per second it is unitless now yet hekko changes to kar taki badal set of units banes that is Newton divided by coulomb it is the unit of charge q and q is I into t q is I into t I is current and it is unit is ampere. T is time, it is second. So A S M divided by S. S cancel. Newton A inverse M inverse. A inverse M inverse. ये बनी ब्याक अक unit. ये चीज़ है unit. अति वन वैसे है Tesla. ये चीज़ Tesla unit. It is also Tesla. Clear? कुछ साथ एक्सपेंड एक्सपेंड बने डिफरेंट फॉर्म यूनिट सेट ऑफ यूनिट्स बने डिफरेंट फॉर्म ब्याक फॉर्म क्या बन न्यूटनस मज kg मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर एम्पियर -1 मीटर -1 मीटर मीटर गस कैंसिल बन kg डिवाइडेड बाय सेकंड स्क्वायर ये बन ब्याक सेट ऑफ यूनिट्स कुछ साथ 4 यूनिट्स which of the following represents Tesla? Which one of the following represents Tesla? That maz astem jutmud yiti, that maz astem jutmud yiti, that maz astem jutmud yiti. The fourth option astem limud all of the above. Ash generally thwa yaad ye. Naam zishna se rozan yaad kin. The last is all of the above the answer. Isliye thawni nazir tal. That is this is also Tesla, this is also Tesla. Clear? Now we have dimensions of B. Dimensions of B. Now dimensions of B. Dimensions of B. So B equals F divided by QV. Sin theta is unitless, dimensionless. So dimensions M 1 L 1 T minus 2 the dimensions of force divided by Q A into T charge velocity L T minus 1 these simplifying these M power 1 L power 1 cancel off में L कीन A that is A power -1 T cancel T power -2 M power 1 A power -1 and T power -2 these are the dimensions of B M power 1 A power -1 T power -2 वन वुचो तो इतनस आथ मज आयो kg ampere -1 and second divided by second square is three set of unit में बनोत that is from this equation that is dimension of B clear now this is dimension of B now we have direction of F direction of F that is FB magnetic force यानी कि इसे magnetic force direction छ यम साथ नसी charged particle लगो ये अमिस कोस direction ये कुकुन गस force कुकुन लगे अमिस clear अथ खतर छ अस rule zि छ अस निशन अथ निशन अख छ अस already पोरमुत यम साथ अस cross product पोर that is right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule kya chhu vanan is? Say this is B. This is the direction of B. This is V. Clear? This is B, this is V. And the angle between them is theta. Agar right hand thumb rule means place your fingers. Yim tai right hand chi fingers ch. Yim ongji tzor ch. Yim kath sidin karok es match BS sit. Am patan karok yim es curl. Yani ki vato khesim. Yim kapar ch vatni yim ch vatni through smaller angle. So kukun ch gasan es VS kun. B to V but through smaller angle. Smaller angle ch theta. Byak angle ch board angle. Clear? Ashikasun left angle san. B to V. Then the extended thumb. You see thumb ch, direction of thumb. This will give us the direction of F. It is direction of F. If there is B cross V karo, this will be the direction of F. Agar V cross V karo, this will be the direction of F. Means yem satan is V, B to V gaso. Yem satan is B to V gaso. B to V. Go ask the direction of force. That will be like this. Means this is the direction of force. Yem saat we particle, yem saat we charged particle. Let us suppose that board special direction ki. Clear? This is the direction of magnetic field from this end to this end. This is the direction of magnetic field. And now महसूस बन जाए charged particle. यह तो मतलब. यम साथ भी charged particle सोजन with some angle, say theta angle. ये कुकन कैसे? ये कैसे कि ये में आए. Clear? Means force लगे में सिकुन. Clear? Now, अगर कोई V cross V कर, तेल कुकन कैसी? तेल कैसी या directions में. Clear? यानी कि inside the board, outside the board, out of the board, and inside the board. That will be the direction of F. So like I'm split force. Clear? Now, just rule number 1, that is right hand thumb rule. This is I'm going to put the vector C each direction is calculate karan in vectors. A cross B equals C. A cross B equals vector C. What is the direction of vector C? Perpendicular to the plane containing vector A and vector B. That is A cross B equals C. C direction is perpendicular to the plane containing this vector C. Same process yet karte. Now second rule is yet mazan. That is shayad first let as foreign, guardian let as foreign. That is Fleming's left hand rule. Left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule. Ya thun ye kemis khatir chi Fleming's left hand rule use yuva karna direction of F. Direction of F. Clear? You see Fleming's left hand rule chi kya chu? Yavan tu kariu sa extend tre ungji panne left hands. Kos 1, 2 and 3. Thumb, index finger and central finger. Yim tre. Yim karne extend in such a way that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Yim chi yitken expand karne as such that agar tu yat ungji kun uchi man donuni darmiyan gas angle asu 90. Agar yat uchi 90. Agar tu yat uchi you guys asu 90 angle. Clear? Yitken chi extend karne. Clear? Now Varat hunda. Expand thumb, index finger and central finger of your left hand in such a way all three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Clear? Expand thumb, index finger and central finger of your left hand. This is the thumb. this is index finger, and this is central finger. Clear? Of your left hand, in such a way that all three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Yim trenway kya asan? Mutually perpendicular to each other. Then, if index finger represents direction of B, yes, index finger, it represents direction of B, and central finger represents direction of V or I. Direction of V or I. Yem sat charged particles velocity dimo, that is equivalent to a current. That is, it is both for V as well as I. Then the thumb represents direction of F. Represents direction of F. This thumb should tell them Satanasan, he can represent, it will represent the direction of F. It will represent the direction of F. This represents direction of B, this represents direction of V or I, and this represents direction of F. Time khotri ke yaad thun ak simple rule one betnas is to boozmut asi means yaad thanu mujub ze kus finger kari kemis represent. Clear? Asni chi tre yath mazal. Akh chu force F, bech magnetic field B, bech current I, ya velocity V. Filal tho is current I at now. Means ibani FBI. Khabar FBI se to boozmut FBI. Clear? FBI chu police force. FBI. Clear? Now, FBI. It can chi yaad tho. Clear? F, that is the force on a charged particle. B, direction of magnetic field. And I, that's the direction of current or velocity. Direction of current or velocity. Clear? This most important rule is to yaad sitan thon kya direction of B current calculate, direction of F current calculate, and direction of V current calculate. Clear? So, filal, this is all about force, direction of F, and force, magnetic field, force on a charged particle, and units and dimensions of B, and direction of F. Clear? This is all about. It's next lecture when I say that will be the calculation of magnetic field. Calculation of magnetic field. Clear? Filal go